YTO ELX2404 240 horsepower tractor. Equipped with YTO G2 diesel engine. With 25% torque reservation, powerful and durable. Force pressure lifting device. Euro connector, providing trailer with electricity. 3+1 sets hydraulic output. Enable attaching heavy implement. 2 assistant lifting cylinders, powerful lifting and lowering force. New design cabin. Panoramic view plus side control levers. Reversing monitor. Physical button low pressing faults. LCD screen with combined instrument. First class denoise. Flexible sunshield curtain. Cigar lighter. Smoothly main gear shifting. Smoothly auxiliary gear shifting. Dual function brake pedal. Lifting and lowering control lever. Flexible creeper gear. Hand throttle. Zero gravity German grammar seat. Stepless adjustment handle. Document placing net. Good tractor is made in YTO factory. Come to get your own tractor.